Hey guys, this is Atul. Welcome back to Techobia. In today's unboxing video series, here we have Boat Bassheads 225, which is available at a very cheap price of rupees 440 or less than $7. If we talk about the packing, it is quite good as compared to the price range and has nice printing and description provided above the box. I divided this video in two parts. One is a build quality and another is sound quality. Whereas I am going to cover up build quality during unboxing and provide you the sound quality review after that. So let me take it out of the box. As from the first look when it comes out of the box, we can say internal packing is not so good, as headphones are wrapped in one plastic shell and accessories like earbuds, ear sporting band and wire holding clip is in one zipped small poly bag. If we are talking about the earbuds, wire holding clip and ear sporting band in this price range as an accessories bundle is a steal deal offered to me. At the time of the order when I checked, it was available in 3 colors, blue, black and red. Where my preference was red, you can pick the color of your choice as I purchased it from Amazon. It comes with flat tangle free cable, 1 button microphone, super extra bass. How much extra, super, I will explain it later. And the thing which I like the most is extra protection near the metal surface to protect the wire to prevent it from cracking, which is good. And metal is used on the outer surface of the earbuds with boat labeling almost everywhere on it, like earbuds, outer surface, mic, 3.5mm jack. It has angled gold plated 3.5mm jack which protects it from easy or pressure removal. I hope I almost covered everything about the build quality. Now come to the sound quality. So here are my personal reviews about the sound quality. These are loud headphones with mic. First thing which I like, it is a mic, as microphone quality is so good that it can be used for recording audios for YouTube videos as well. I tested it on my Surface Pro 4 and the sound quality is almost equal compared to the newer lapel mic which I am currently using for recording. Now come to the sound, which is very loud with boosted treble and bass, which is very good if you are listening to Bollywood movies or ghazals or watching review YouTube videos like this. If you are an audiophile, then it is not for you, as you can lose the clarity and miss many beats and detailed tones because of the boosted bass and treble. In that case, I suggest you to go with Audio Technica CRL100, which unboxing and review is in queue and will be uploaded soon. Once I am done with that review and another Sennheiser 180 review, then I will make one comparison video, so it will be easy for you to pick the best one according to your needs. Another important thing, that these headphones perform much better on the laptops compared to the mobiles, as audio hardware matters a lot. Like it performed much better on the Mi Max compared to Redmi 3S or Redmi Note 4. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like it and subs if you love. See you soon in coming video. Bye.